Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited. I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy bag. I got the Ipsy Glam one, as you can see. This is very big. So here we are with this as our bag today. It's so big. Okay, I'm really hoping, fingers crossed, the reason I upgraded was because the Bailey Syrian collab palette is supposed to be in this, so I'm really hoping it is. I'm sorry, I'm sunburned. I went on a hike today.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Siri's talking to us, guys. Siri, shut up. Anyways, I got a sunburn today hiking, so the sun has been out and hot lately, but other than that, I've just been hiking a lot lately. That's my life. I don't know why I'm telling you guys this, but that's what I've been doing. But that's besides the point. I upgraded to the Ipsy Glam bag, I guess. So they're gonna all be full-size products. This one is $25 a month instead of 12 something. So that's the difference. But yeah, I upgraded. Let's hope it's in here. I love Bailey Syrian. I don't know if you guys have been watching her, but she's amazing. I love murder mysteries and obviously makeup. So hello, murder mystery makeup Mondays are my absolute favorite thing ever. And I just love her personality. She's so cool. But anyways, besides the point. Here's the gigantic bag. So I'm not gonna have a probably cute little bag this time. I've never had that. I should probably stop getting those anyways, because I just all those bags are piling up because I don't get rid of them. Oh, it does come in a bag. What? Did you know that? I didn't know that. This is a way cuter bag. What the heck have I been doing with my life? You see, I wonder if they're different. Now I'm gonna have to watch some YouTube videos and see if they have different colors. That is so cute. I get way more use out of this bag because it's bigger and it has a zip tie. Oh my gosh, what have I been doing? This is so cute. I think I feel it. Oh, I'm so excited. Please be it, please be it, please be it. Please be it. I'm so excited. I'm probably being so stupid, I know, I'm sorry, but guys, I love her so much. I know it's ridiculous, but look at this. Oh my goodness, Bailey Syrian. I can never buy her clothes because they sell out so fast. So I'm so excited about this right now. Oh. Oh, it's so cute. I don't remember the pants being this big. I thought it was smaller, but I don't care. Either way, look at this. Do you guys see how cute? Oh my goodness. I'm definitely going to be filming a look with this because I'm so stoked about it as I kill myself with it. What does it say though? It says Rose Tattoo, Ocean Avenue, Tan Lines, Roller Skates, Puppy Love, Venice Fling, Soul, I think Soul is her boyfriend, Bonfire, Toasty. Sorry, I have an issue when things aren't perfectly clean. Does anyone else do that? Your palettes have to be super clean around the outside? I don't know. That's just me maybe. Oh, I'm so excited I got this. I need to look at what's in the bag, but oh my goodness, look at those colors. They are so pretty. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to film a look with this. Just because I'm way too excited about it. See, Bailey Syrian. Okay, I'm so excited about this. Way too excited about this. What else did we get? That's the real thing here. There's a little thing here. The future is yours, is it? Next. Ooh. From Huda Beauty, Demi Matte, and Revolutionary. Oh, it's a nude. Guys, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, ooh, now that is beautiful. This is way darker than what I thought. Maybe not. That's pretty though. I will so wear that. Bomb. Looking fabulous. That is so pretty. So demi matte, which I guess it won't fully matte then. I always like their packaging. I like the little lips on everything. I Am Amazing 24-hour eyeliner. Thank goodness for this. I have been going through my liquid eyeliner like it's going out of style lately, it feels like. And I haven't been wearing makeup as much as usual. So hopefully, is this liquid? Ugh, it's not liquid, it's a pen. Oh well. That's what that looks like. Let's see it. Ooh, that's real nice. So creamy. Real hair. Look at that. That's so black. I love it. But I am definitely a liquid girl, but I will maybe try this out. Who knows? We'll have to see. Next is matcha green tea antioxidant priming moisturizer. Lightweight, oil-free water cream. Prime skin for makeup from Pureless. Let's see here. Ooh, this is nice and big. It's so cute. I like how shiny the packaging is. And it's nice and sealed. Matches my crazy nails. Sweet. I'll have to definitely try that out. And then the last thing in here is High Def Defining Volumizing Mascara from Beauty for Real. Or is that what it's called? Yep, Beauty for Real. So that is this. Let's see what... Oh, that's so tiny. Do you see this? Wow. I will have to try that and see how that works for my eyelashes. So this was actually a really cool bag. I'm kind of excited I upgraded it because this is so cute to me. I'm so much more excited about this because I can use this and it holds a lot more, which is nice. It holds palettes, okay? Because I like travel with palettes sometimes and I never have any bags that like work for the palettes. So this is gonna be so exciting to use for traveling now. So mascara, primer, eyeliner, lip color, and my new palette that I can't wait to use. This is gonna be so exciting. This is so big. This is so much bigger than I thought it was gonna be, honestly. I don't even know if I really paid attention, honestly, to the palette. To be 100% real here, I just was like, Bailey Sarian, something with a Bailey Sarian collab, have to have it. So upgraded. I might keep it too because I really like this bag. I like getting full-size products. Who doesn't? Like the little ones are cool, but like I lose them sometimes and they just like keep multiplying. But like full size, for some reason I'm more willing to use. I know that makes literally no sense probably. I think all the small stuff is cute though, so maybe that's why I don't use it. Anyways, I'm so excited about this. I'm just like holding this. I will definitely make a video with that because I'm so stoked about it. And it's so cute. This is such a good little zippy bag. Love it. And the like material is really nice. I like it. I did not think it was going to come in a bag, to be totally honest. So I'm kind of shook. And I need to watch some videos because I need to see if there's different colors or not. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!